Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have a pretty awesome no slide toy hauler for you. This is the 2023 XLR Boost 25 XLRE. Again, it does not have a slide. It is fairly short as well, so it is perfect to zip in and out of any type of campgrounds, state parks, things of that nature. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, will be down in the description of this video, along with my contact information. And if you guys like my style, like what I'm making here, hit that like and subscribe button for future RV content. I make all sorts of videos, really trying to hit 30,000 subscribers here in 2023. But again, it's the 2023 XLR Boost 25 XLRE. And this will be a pretty quick tour today because this is not an overwhelmingly, large setup. So right here when you walk in, you still get plenty of floor space, so I really like the design of it. A ton of tie downs. You're going to see you got 8 just right here in the viewable area, and then you're going to have another one right over there. So 9 just in this area. A lot of, features that allow in a lot of light. One, you got the back toy hauler, obviously, but you got this absolutely massive window, doubles as an emergency exit, so pull, push, and pop. You can get out in a hurry. It does have the Dracula shades, so that way you don't have to worry about, sizzling up the skin, on a toasty day. Little vent right here to allow some airflow to go in and out while you're driving down, maybe get some of the gasoline smell out of here. But let's go ahead and start back in the back. So right here, right off the rip, you're going to see this is kind of that Tough Flex material. So it's a really nice, durable, kind of beat it up material. These are flip up sofas, so they'll go up against the wall. You stow those, back cushions somewhere else, but it makes for a really nice sleeping area, as well. You're also going to see you got a table right here that goes up right in between, so that way there is a place where you can play some cards, have a good meal, you're good to go. You're also got a bed that drops down, so that way you can sleep. It does make a full. You're also going to see you have the Furrion sound system, so it gets the music, really bumping. You're also going to see, which is commonly shown in more kind of your higher end toy haulers, you get the fenced in back area. Now I left the gate open just to kind of show you, but you can fit 2,000 pounds back here in the cargo area. So pretty darn incredible weight. LED lights there going across the top with that nice blue color. Give you another little view here. And then as you're coming in, floor changes to this nice linoleum look to it. Kind of gives it more of like a residential finish. Good countertop space, not absolutely amazing, but you do get the rollover kind of dryer, little plastic part right there with your high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. Plastic countertop, storage here up underneath with 2 pull-out drawers. There's going to be your fuse box if something isn't working. Make sure to check that out. It'll glow up nice and red for you. Access to your plumbing and some additional storage. Stainless steel undermounted bowl. You're also going to see another window, outlet, more storage here up ahead. I even like the glass. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, but I like how they put that little crisscross pattern. Just makes it a little bit less, a little bit less boring. Makes it stand out a little bit. Smaller Furrion oven. Good enough for like a pizza, DiGiorno or some cookies, something like that. And then you get your 3 stovetop burner there as well, so you can cook up all the fixings. Good looking little hexagonal backsplash with the Furrion hood. So you're gonna have a fan and a light. And then to match it all up, you do get your Furrion microwave. You're also going to get the Furrion refrigerator. So Furrion. And what I like about this is it's not the gas and electric. This is going to be the 12 volt. So more effective, will run off of solar, will run off your car, your battery, obviously your shore power if you're plugged in. But the reason why you might like this a little bit more, those gas and electric ones just aren't as effective. If the sun is beating down on this side of the camper, this refrigerator is going to act like the one inside your home. The gas and electric one will actually get a little bit warmer, so the freezer section won't keep stuff frozen, necessarily. It'll keep it nice and cold, but not quite frozen like this one will. Here's going to be your solar charge controller and your thermostat. The solar charge controller just allows you to show that the solar panels are doing what they should. They should charge. Now, I got my jump box juiced up right here, reading 12.7 volts, so we got a good charge there on my jump box. But if it wasn't attached there and the solar was on, it would be flashing and telling you, what it's doing. Main entrance that I walked in, the Furrion electric fireplace. and it puts out some pretty incredible heat. It puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat. So in a camper that's this size, it'll heat the entirety of this area, you know, absolutely no problem. It'll actually more than likely be too much heat for this area, but there are some temperature settings where you can control it. It goes all the way up to 100 degrees. There's also a couple different light settings. I believe there is white, blue, and orange, or maybe red, something like that. Got your sound system right here with zones 1 and 2. That's going to be inside and outside. HDMI, USB, aux cords, all the hookups. This is going to be your control center where you can check your battery levels, fresh level, black, gray, all your tanks, water pump, all your different lightings, and your heating pads. So that'll help you get a little bit deeper into the season. You won't have to worry about your tanks freezing up, you know, if it's, you know, below freezing. You also get a little place right here where you can hang up a TV. So it's got this nice bracket right there. Put one on a swivel. You're good to go. You can order it with that if you would like. And these are going to be your satellite and TV hookups along with the appropriate outlet. All right, we're cruising along. You got the shotgun style bathroom. The shower is not one of the larger ones that I have seen, but it's nothing too bad. You know, if you're traveling on the road, just a nice place where you can get clean real quick and, you know, kind of take a short shower. I am 6 feet, fairly large fella, 282 pounds, rock on the weight loss, baby. But you can see right there, you know, I'm fitting in it, but, you know, I'm kind of hustling along for sure. For you vertical people, for you tall guys, you also have a little sunlight right there. Probably goes up to, you know, about 6'4" or so, I would say. You got the old foot flush right there. And babe, if you're watching, I love you. Hope you're having a good day with Relly. The boys are on spring break, so I forgot about that. So that's nice. Little storage right there. And then, let's see, something behind the store. Yep. You got your sink. More storage there underneath with access to your plumbing. Another outlet. And then you got this mirror. Check out the old bowling gun. Got my last week of bowling tomorrow night, so it's the tournament. And then Wednesday starts the next league, so back on the horse right away, baby. Hopefully the tournament goes well. We'll keep you posted. This is the bedroom, queen size bed. You got some storage there underneath with those cubbies. That's pretty nice. I like how it's not the one that lifts up. You know, it's kind of dedicated space. And then both left and right, you're going to see pull-out drawers. I'll show you what that's looking like right here. So it's going to be like that, you know, maybe a junk drawer or some socks, underwear, things of that nature. You're also going to get a window on both sides that does have the nightshade roller. And then this one is going to be an emergency exit. You'll also see you have storage all the way up and around the bed as well. So this is going to be where you're going to put some hanging items, the exact same thing there on the left side. And then above the bed, that goes all the way across to that other hanging closet. Outlets and USBs on both sides as well. So each side's going to have 4. Another TV bracket with the appropriate plug-ins. And I think that about wraps up the inside portion of this tour. Now walk around the outside, kind of show you where everything is located. I think that right there might just be the thumbnail. That might be the winner. But if you guys have made it this far, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I would love you forever. Again, the specifications will be down in the description of this unit, things like the awning size, and you can see it's got the LED lights there on the side. Battery disconnect, right where that little red tab is. 2 propane bottles and your power tongue jack. Pretty good outside storage space here. This door is going to be 18.5 wide and 15 high if you know you're putting some storage totes. That's why I'm making this video today. A guy wanted me to measure it, so I decided to go ahead and, you know, throw one of these on here for you. Manual stabilizing jacks, which I like to see on a toy hauler. Those are actually going to be a stronger jack for you than the electric stabilizers. Dual axle. Again, the 25 XLRE. Here's going to be your outside speaker, so 1 and 2 out here, along with the little Y bracket, so that way you can hang up a TV. And then you also have your cable hookup and some outlets. Bring it around, you get a good view of the kind of the toy hauler section. Again, you got the LED lights there running up the front. This part does close off if you would like it to. And then right here, you can see that little black bump. That's going to be a prep for a rear observation camera. So $550, you can suction cup that right onto your windshield, so that way you can see what's going on behind you with a distance marker as well. This is where you plug in the camper. is your black tank flush. If you're not familiar with that, it's a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. Knock off all the crud and the dirt. City water connection, fresh water connection. Back end, the Furrion water heater, which is a really nice upgraded water heater as well. That's going to be your dump valves, your dump station. Outside shower, so that's always a plus with hot and cold water access. And then the back end of the pass-through storage there. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2023 XLR Boost 25 XLRE. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.